Your boss is obsolete. Hello and welcome to Neuro AI. Think about your current manager for a moment. Are they buried in spreadsheets, slow to approve your vacation, maybe a little biased during performance reviews? They are human, after all. They get tired, they make mistakes, they play favorites. Now picture a different kind of manager, one that operates 24/7 without a single coffee break, one that processes every piece of data with perfect recall, and one that makes decisions based on pure, unadulterated logic. This isn't a fantasy from a distant science fiction movie. This is the reality that artificial intelligence is building for the workplace today. We are standing at the edge of a monumental shift in how companies are run. The role of the manager, a cornerstone of the corporate world for over a century, is being deconstructed and automated piece by piece. Today, we are going to pull back the curtain on this revolution. We are going to explore, with calm clarity and bold honesty, exactly how AI is stepping in to take over the tasks that your boss does every single day. This isn't about fear. This is about understanding the battlefield. Before we talk about replacing the boss, let's first dissect what a boss actually does. It is not just about giving speeches, signing paychecks. The modern manager's role is a complex tapestry of smaller, repetitive tasks: planner, scheduler, data analyst, recruiter, coach, gatekeeper of information. They set clear, measurable goals for their team and ensure everyone knows the target and why it matters. They break large objectives into smaller, actionable steps for each team member. Managers constantly monitor progress, checking dashboards, reading reports, tracking key performance indicators. Those signals show whether a project is on track or heading for a cliff. They translate data into meaningful feedback, which requires analytical skill and delicate communication. They are the logistical hub, organizing workflows, assigning tasks by skill and availability, coordinating schedules. Work happens across the day, the week, the month. Beyond the daily grind, bosses are talent scouts and architects, sift resumes, conduct interviews, make the final hiring call. They nurture strengths, improve weaknesses, decide who gets a raise, a bonus, and who climbs the next rung. Break it down and you see a pattern: processing information, applying rules, making data-based decisions. The manager's job is ripe for disruption. Let's get specific. It is easy to talk about AI in the abstract, but where is the code meeting the road? Let's look at 3 essential management tasks AI can already handle: animated graphic, a calendar, a bar chart, and a resume flow into an AI brain. First up, scheduling and resource planning. Imagine the administrative nightmare of coordinating a team's schedule, individual availability, vacation requests, project deadlines, skill sets. It is a thankless, time-consuming puzzle. An AI can solve this in seconds. It analyzes calendars, identifies optimal times, and books rooms automatically. For planning, ingest goals, break into micro-tasks, create an optimized timeline. It knows Sarah is fastest on a module. Mark needs an extra day for QA. It tracks every deadline and sends precise reminders, all without emotion or fatigue. Not just time saved, human error and bias removed from execution. Plans based on data, not guesswork. Second, performance tracking and objective feedback. Continuous, real-time, impartial. Your task X was 15% faster than average, but error rate 5% higher. Here are 3 resources to improve accuracy. This is not a hypothetical future. Companies are deploying AI managers right now. The most widespread application is hiring and recruitment. Many Fortune 500s use AI-powered applicant tracking systems to scan tens of thousands of resumes in minutes. Keywords, skills, experience. They filter most applicants before a human ever sees a name. First interviews may be with a chatbot or recorded answers analyzed for content, tone, and even facial expressions. In logistics and the gig economy, sophisticated algorithms manage workers. The AI assigns tasks, calculates optimal routes, tracks performance in real time, and doles out bonuses or warnings. Call centers. AI monitors every call simultaneously. Keywords, sentiment, duration, script compliance. It flags poor quality or deviations to a human, who focuses on critical coaching. 99% monitoring automated. Humans do the 1% that truly needs them. Retail schedules optimized for traffic and availability. Expense reports auto-approved under rules. The AI boss is already here, working quietly in the background, managing by algorithm. It increases efficiency, reduces costs, and imposes consistency at scale. The push to adopt AI managers is driven by powerful benefits. The most obvious advantage is sheer, unadulterated speed. What takes a manager half a day, an AI can do in under a minute. It works 24/7, no sleep, no vacation, no lunch breaks. Decisions made faster, projects start sooner, agility increases. Then fairness and consistency. Humans are biased. An AI can apply the same transparent rules to everyone. Pay and bonuses tied to measurable output, favoritism removed. In hiring, ignore name, age, gender. Focus on skills to widen the talent pool. Human managers are expensive and do lots of admin. AI automates admin for a fraction of the cost. Savings get reinvested into innovation, customer relationships, and strategic growth. An AI can see everything. Find patterns and correlations no human can, turning oceans of data into advantage. Handing the reins to an AI manager comes with chilling risks. A manager is a mentor, a confidant, a source of emotional support. Humans offer empathy, flexibility, encouragement. An AI cannot replicate genuine compassion. It can read your stress, but not truly understand your struggle. AI fairness is a double-edged sword, learns from biased data. If history promoted men more, the AI may perpetuate and amplify that bias. Without rigorous audits, bias hides in code under a veneer of objectivity. AI makes mistakes, misreads context, misapplies rules, or trusts bad data. If a top performer is fired by mistake, who is accountable? You cannot put an algorithm on trial. AI is weak at creativity, moral reasoning, and complex strategic judgment. It optimizes known processes, enforces rules, but cannot decide if rules are just. Over-reliance creates brittle efficiency, poor adaptation, weak innovation, questionable choices. The rise of the AI manager is not to fear but to prepare for. Step 1. Learn the basics of your field's AI tools. Take a free 1-hour course. Learn prompting and how to read outputs. Step 2. Use AI to amplify your value. Reports, email sorting, data pulls, delegate drudgery. Step 3. Double down on uniquely human skills. Communication, empathy, negotiation, leadership. Step 4. Be the AI's supervisor. Review conclusions, spot bias, verify data. Step 5. Learn to guide it. Clear instructions, structured feedback, ethical guardrails, and do not autonomy checklists. Step 6. Document wins, run pilots, share case studies. Be known as the responsible AI integrator. This positioning makes you valuable and hard to replace. Become the pilot, not a passenger. You are no longer just a worker, you are a leader in the new hybrid workforce. What does this look like on a typical Tuesday? In the past, uncertainty, inbox triage, waiting for priorities, ad hoc task assignment. Now, you log in, your dashboard has 3 core tasks: clear objective, deadline, and resources, assigned by project priority, your skill set, and current workload, neither bored nor overwhelmed. Complete a task, get instant feedback, 10% ahead of schedule, quality at 98%. Great work, your manager transforms into a coach, focused on your growth, creative problem solving, and interpersonal dynamics. Clear compensation rules tied to metrics apply equally. If there is an error, appeal to human oversight. Hybrid model, AI for execution and consistency, humans for oversight and empathy, keeping the system honest and people protected. We have seen the future, and it is run by algorithms. The showdown is now. Scheduling, tracking, reporting, handed to faster, cheaper, more consistent systems. But this is a story of transformation, not human obsolescence. AI presents the optimal path. The human adds context, team morale, client relationships, ethics, to forge a better way. Machines provide the facts, humans provide the meaning. Be the bridge. Learn AI tools to guide them, not be a cog. Keep empathy, creativity, and judgment razor sharp. Question outputs, demand transparency, insist on a human in the loop. Make yourself indispensable. Fear and resist, or embrace and lead. Thank you for watching. This is Neuro AI. For more clear, bold ideas on the future of work and intelligence, follow our channel.